Khwaeramban Kaital Roadside Vendors Welfare Association today urged the Manipur government to take steps so that they can resume their activities. Khwaeramban Market in Imphal City has remained closed owing to COVID-19 pandemic. Highlighting the current scenario of hepatitis infection in Manipur, Community Network for Empowerment President R.K. Nalini Kanta has appealed to all to get tested for hepatitis in the ongoing International Testing Week to be continued till 29th of November. Inaugural program of BA Honours at the Korean Language Department of Foreign Language, Manipuri University, MU was held at the conference hall of Department of Foreign Language, MU today. During the program, MU Vice-Chancellor Jarnail Singh stated that the Korean Language Department in the university will help strengthen relations between India and Korea. Union Minister of Health Dr. Harshvardhan has reiterated the government plans to immunize 200 million to 250 million citizens by next July. Covaxin is among 5 vaccine candidates undergoing trials in India and the only indigenous candidate among them. The race for a vaccine to beat the novel coronavirus is on not just in India but in the entire world. While first United States citizens could receive COVID-19 vaccine shot by December 11-12, in India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will hold virtual meetings with the chief ministers and other representatives of states and union territories tomorrow to discuss the vaccine distribution strategy, media reports say. As part of the war against drugs, a combined team of Imphal East Commando, Special Commando Team, Narcotics Cell Imphal East, Porompat Police, and Women Police Imphal East this morning carried out a search operation at Ketrigao Mamang Sabal Lekay and arrested 3 drug smugglers along with illicit drugs. Police have arrested a 26-year-old man in connection with an offensive Facebook post against security forces. The accused, Thangpi Lun Haukip alias Lun Haukip, aged 26 years, is a resident of Langol in Imphal. In the Facebook post, the accused called on all armed groups and volunteers to attack police so that illegal poppy cultivation could be carried out in Churachandpur district. India's coronavirus tally reached 91,39,866 today after 44,059 new infections were reported in the last 24 hours, according to the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. A media report said the overall cases include 4,43,486 active cases and 85,62,642 recoveries. With 511 new deaths, the coronavirus death toll in the country mounted to 1,33,738.